Dad. Can we play here for a while? Of course, sweetie. Please, it looks so fun in there today. Okay, but play nicely and stay together. We have enough coins for many games. Let's play the fish shooting game first. Yeah, let's go. No, I want to play the VR game first. But this one is more fun, Leo. Let's play basketball. Whoever wins gets to choose the game. Okay. I will defeat you, Maya, I'm sure. That still doesn't feel very fair to me. Leo, that boy was also watching us earlier, right? Yes, I think he was standing near me before. Yes! I got it! Wow, Leo, you did it! That's amazing! Oh! I found one coin down here. He really wants to play that machine.
He almost got it, but it slipped away.
Maybe he wants to play, but has no coins. Why don't we ask him to play with us? Hey! Yeah! Hi! Do you want to play together with us? I don't want to bother you. It's okay, we can take turns together. Really? Thank you. I would like that. Let's try for that teddy bear first. Yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah. I'll go first and try very carefully. Oh no! It almost caught the bear! Oops, mine was even worse than yours. I really hope this one works for me. Ah, it slipped again right at the top. We still have a few more chances left.
Don't give up yet. We can still do it. Let's try it again.
There is only one coin left now. Maya, I think this last turn should be yours. Okay, I'll do my very best now. Come on. Come on. Please grab it this time.
It got one. It really got one.
Wait, two bears just fell down together. Oh my God! We got two bears! We did it! Yeah! Haha! This is the luckiest grab of the day. This one should go to you first.
Me very blind and yisting.
Thank you. I really wanted this bear. Now everyone gets a happy prize today. Hey! Mom and Dad are going back, Maya. Thank you both. I won't forget this. Now I have to leave. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. I am glad we played together. Oh, what happened here while we were gone?
Ha! What is from there?
So where did these teddy bears come from?
We used the last coin and got 2 bears.
And who was the boy playing with you?
Toby.
He wanted to play, but he had no coins.
Huh. Don't?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So we shared our coins and played together. That was a kind and loving thing to do.
That was a small win, but a meaningful one.
Joy grows bigger when we choose to share.
Helping someone can be the best prize of all.
This was more special than just winning a game.
Would you share your coins with a new friend like us today? Leave a comment below, please.
Don't forget to like, share our story today. Now, goodbye and see you next time. Ew. You smell very bad right now, Leo. Why don't you take a shower after playing sports? Oh, I forgot. Go on, I'll wait. I'll do it after finishing this book, Maya.
What is that strange smell?
I don't smell anything, Dad. Oh my. This smell is really bad. I can't believe it. Everyone, I scored a goal in the park.
Wow. You're great, Leo.
I am a football star. A true champion. That is nice, my dear. Now I'm very hungry. Oh no. Your hands are very dirty, Leo.
You must wash your hands before dinner.
Okay, Dad.
That's a good boy.
But I want to eat right now. You must wash your hands to stay healthy, Leo. Yes, Mommy. It's too cool and funny. Look at this part. Wow. You won't believe what happens next. Maya, look at this. Wow. Look at that. Whoa.
Eo, có một mùi lạ ở đây. Leo.
I don't see that, Maya. Why don't you take a shower after playing sports? I'll do it after finishing this book, Maya. Okay, don't forget it.
Oh! Oh, wow!
I feel so sleepy.
Let's go to school, Leo. Ooh, am I wrong? What is that strange smell?
I don't smell anything, Dad.
Ooh, am I wrong? What is that strange smell?
Hi, Tom. I want to tell you something. Look, this is a very cool comic book, Tom. Ew. That's gross. Why are you covering your nose, Tom? Nothing. I need to go to the restroom. Bye. Why is everyone staying away from me? Whew, that's nasty.
Oh my! This smell is really bad! I can't believe it! Now I know why everyone ran away. Hey, how was your day, Leo?
As usual, Dad.
I need to clean my body very carefully. Wow! I look too handsome, right?
You are so funny, honey.
Hey, Leo. Come over here.